Garlic. It's not flashy, it's not showy. Truth is, a lot of folks overlook it until they realize just how much power it carries. Flavor strong enough to change a meal, storage that'll see you through the seasons, and a payout that lets a farmer breathe easy. Garlic is profitable. Pound for pound, it brings in more than most crops you'll ever put in the ground. Folks line up for the bulbs that are big, clean, and fresh. It's not just food, it's currency wrapped in paper. But garlic's got a rhythm. Plant it too early and gets knocked back by the winter. Plant it right and it waits underground, steady, patient, until spring brings it back stronger than ever. That's garlic. Resilient, profitable, and carved out of patience. The kind of crop you just don't grow, you bet the farm on. And today, we're planting it.
Garlic is one of the best crops for small farms and backyard growers. It's simple, reliable, and profitable. Today, we'll walk through choosing seed garlic, prepping your soil, timing for your USDA zone, planting, and protecting it through the winter. Start with quality seed garlic, not the grocery store kind. Most of it has been treated to stop sprouting and may carry diseases that set your crop back. Certified seed garlic is grown for planting, giving you clean, vigorous cloves that produce bigger, healthier bulbs. Break bulbs into cloves, keep the papery skin on, and save the biggest, healthiest cloves for planting. Bigger cloves usually mean bigger bulbs. Toss anything soft, moldy, or damaged.
Garlic wants loose, fertile, well-draining soil. Aim for a pH between 6 and 7 and work in compost or aged manure and loosen the bed so the roots can spread deep and steady. The key is to plant garlic 4 to 6 weeks before your ground freezes hard. That gives it time to root without sprouting too early. In zones 3 to 5, that means late September to early October. Zones 6 and 7, mid to late October. Zone 8A, late October to early November. And 9 and 10, November into December. Work backwards from your first hard freeze, and that's your planting window.
Plant cloves pointed end up, root side down. Depth 2 to 4 inches. Space cloves about 6 inches apart in the row with 12 inches between rows. Straight rows make weeding and harvesting a lot easier.
Once planted, cover the bed with 3 to 4 inches of mulch, straw, or shredded leaves. Mulch insulates the soil, holds in the moisture, and protects against frost heaving.
If you get hit with an early frost or an unexpected cold snap, a frost blanket adds extra insurance. Use frost blankets stretched over hoops and anchor the edges to block cold air. Don't lay it flat on the soil. Elevate it so the garlic bed can breathe. Remove it once temperatures warm back up.
If you want to learn more about frost blankets, click the link above for the 4-part series. And that's planting garlic. Good seed, solid soil prep, and the right timing for your zone, careful spacing, and a blanket of mulch with a little bit of frost protection. From here, garlic takes care of itself throughout the winter, waiting underground. We'll be back in the spring to show you how to manage growth and then how to harvest and cure for storage. All the reason to subscribe.